I'm happy to see all of you on this beautiful stream. We just started. This stream is about our live trading strategy. We are going to trade live and make money together. And started 4 seconds ago. I'm checking does this work correctly from our phone or not. Okay, let me wait for a few seconds. About this stream, friends, topic of today's stream, it is live trading. It is live trading by using DOM and footprint, by using different strategies. During this stream, we will trade if some trading situations appears. Also, I'll explain to you some trading patterns that we traded, even this Bitcoin long trade that we took a few minutes ago, exactly before this live stream started. I'll explain to you all of this trade. At this moment, what's really important to do right now, just smash the like button. Because it's so important, because when you push like button, YouTube shows the stream to more people. That's really important for us, and far more important when you share in private messages this stream. You send it on through Telegram, Messenger, WhatsApp. YouTube see all this data, and when you do it, YouTube share it even far better. That's why it's really important for us when you do such help. About me, friends, I had my symptoms same nearly same as COVID, but we did test with my wife, and they said that we don't have COVID. That's why we stay at home. That's why we stay at home all these days, and that's it. Hi from Romania. Hi, happy to see you here. And at this moment, what you do, write few words about yourself. For example, your name, like this, MD222, hey from Romania. But please write more information about you. Like my name, hi, my name is Yuri. I'm in crypto several years. I have such desire, for example, to learn how to do scalping. I have difficulties with making money and all of that, because we are going to be here nearly 2 hours, and I will have time to answer to your question, and that's for free. That's why it really depends on how you communicate, and do you really give me enough information to speak with you, because I can help you a lot. Okay, and let me copy a link. Okay, I send it here. And let me send into public Discord that we started live trading. 262. Okay, good. Hello, I'm Uwai from India, undergraduate student trading crypto since a year. Good. Armenia, Arman, hello, happy to see you here. Zach, hello from Australia. Hello, greetings from Austria. Good, I see that we have Europe. Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a programmer and I want to study trading in Peru. I'm from Ukraine. Michael, happy to see you here. I see that we have a lot of people from Ukraine during these days. I'm happy. Glory to Ukraine. By the way, friends, today is the Independence Day of Ukraine, and I would like to say I'm really thankful for all people, for all our fighters that protect Ukraine and whole Europe, because those people of you that understand, I think most of you understand that all this fight, it's not only about Ukraine, it is about Europe, because Russians would never stop in Ukraine. And that's why especially Poland, Moldova should be thankful for us, because if Ukraine falls, Poland and Baltic states and Moldova will be the next. That's why I'm really thankful for all defenders of Ukraine, that we have possibility to be here, speak with all of you. I know that most of you don't like to speak about politics, but for us it's really important to speak about our military, about our guys, because a lot of my friends at this moment mobilized. That's why it is part of our society at this moment. Okay, let's start. Hello from Turkey. Hello from Iran. Hello from Turkey. Hi, I find big order quick for bounce technique. Hello, Romania. Commander, who write please your name, because I would like to reply as to your name. My biggest profitable trade was $10,000. Worst trade I lost together nearly $3,000, because it wasn't like one trade. It was a series of trades at the same time. Slava Ukraine. I lived in Kharkiv for 10 years, miss everything from Kulinichi to Palladium clubs. Yeah. Most of Ukrainians didn't realize how good country we have, because I travel a lot and I understand positive and negative sides of our country. And many people thought like in all other places it's like heaven, something like that. But if we would eliminate corruption, I think our country would be really good for European continent. Okay. My name is Zach. I have been interested in crypto since 2017. Learned the hard way, ready to invest and focus on the next. Good. Hello from Pakistan. Hello, I am from Madagascar. Hello from Saudi Arabia. Good. Mongolia. Good. I see that we have, as always, we have United Nations. Hello, all. Ivan from Croatia here in crypto for 8 months. Would love to hear what you think about RCI for scalping swing trading. You almost never mentioned it, while I found it pretty accurate. Thanks. My friend, let me. Okay, guys. I answered to this question, and after that, we do analysis of a market. If there are some trading situations that we can trade right now. If not, we will analyze some previous trades, and I will answer on your question. Ivan, or is it good if I call you Ivan? Like in Ukrainian language, your name would sound Ivan. Main reason why I don't use RCI and other indicators, RCI, MACD, all of that, because I don't know how to use them, and I don't need it. Example for you, like this trade that we took in community, I didn't send that trade to free signals. For all of you guys, I would like to remind that we have free signals where on daily basis I send several signals. In normal cases 1 to 3 signals. When I at computer I send it, like yesterday GMT 2% rise, after that XRM we closed at break even, and another trade was on ADA that we sent yesterday. Like today we took Bitcoin trade few minutes ago, exactly before the stream started at 19:03. I sent this trade. Why I didn't use RCI here? Because I don't need. Have a look in a footprint of Bitcoin. What I saw that someone bought 899 Bitcoins. After that, someone again bought 400 Bitcoins. And after that, have a look on this limit order, 416 Bitcoins. By the way, someone tried to break this level, but they failed. Where is it? Someone tried to break that level. Let me open footprint of Bitcoin. And they failed. And we took long on BTC at that level. And that's it. But my friend, what's the beauty of the trade? Our stop loss, have a look. When we took a trade, our stop loss was 0.29%. 0.29%. just think about this. It is a pure scalping. Our risk in this case was really small. And on BTC, there enough liquidity. You could open a trade even with $10 million size. And price, just by rising 1.5%, gave to us 1 to 5 risk reward. 1 to 5 risk reward for such small movement. That's the reason why we don't use such indicator as RCI, MyCD, all of that stuff, because we don't need it. Even this one in today, have a look how Bitcoin bounced from another size. I just wasn't at computer at that time when this stuff happened. Have a look. When Bitcoin in the morning broke this trend line breakdown, Bitcoin did. I hope all of you can see this trend line breakdown pattern. And have a look, my friend. Exactly at this level, 21,250. Exactly at this level, significant size appeared in a dome of Bitcoin, somewhat support Bitcoin and didn't allow it to drop. And have a look, it is exactly this size, 601 Bitcoin. And if I would be at computer at that time, our risk in that trade would be maybe 0.1 or 0.2%. And at this moment, even to this level, it is 1%. It is 1 to 5 minimum risk reward. To this level, it is 3%. It is how much? 1 to 15 risk reward. 1 to 15 risk reward. Just if you understand what risk reward, you would understand, my friends, it is a huge number. It's a huge number. That's the reason why we don't use MICD RCI. Not because I would say that like they are good or bad. I don't need all of this, because you cannot be a champion. Like, you cannot be good at everything. You cannot be good at boxing. You cannot be good at wrestling, at football, all of this stuff. You can be good only at one thing. You can become worldwide champion only in one type of sport. But yes, you can know a lot about other sports, but still, the same in trading. You don't need a lot of strategies. You don't need a lot of indicators. You just need to be the best in what you use. That's it. That's my point of view. I do not pretend that I'm the wisest person on the planet. Maybe I'm wrong in something. If you think that I'm wrong, you feel free to write in a chat and tell that, Yuri, I disagree about this. And just tell me. That's it. Okay, let's find some trading situations before we find some good trading situations. What I would like to share with you, my friends. It is this one. I would like to remind to all of you that below this video you'll find a lot of useful links. For all of you that watch the stream, a lot of links that you need exactly here. First one, for those of you that want to join our advanced club here, free alerts exactly in this Telegram channel, all these links. Another one, lessons that I recommend you to watch, free lessons about DOM strategies. Even today we published important lesson that all of you should watch. It is trading strategy bounce from a size. I will see how it will perform. If it perform good, we will record videos about other strategies that we use in DOM, because today, for example, we used another strategy. Also, DOM platforms that I use, tutorial to that platform, and for people from Australia, Canada, US and United Kingdom, how to trade futures, because in most cases Binance forbid in your countries, and article tutorials for all of you. That's why, friends, use all of these links and let's start analyzing market together. Yashir, Tiger and C-Scalp are the same. it is not the same, and for such questions we recorded beautiful lesson. You can spend 6 minutes 51 seconds and learn difference between these two platforms and decide what to use. That's it. Okay. Okay. Ivan, tell me please, did I answer to your question or not? How much duration of this live is going to be? In normal cases, we do 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If that would be what to discuss, also I'm after COVID, maybe this live will be less. Depends on the trading situation, depends on you. If you stay with me, enjoy and invite your friends, I will be longer here. Hello, I am from Nepal. Actually, if you would do Ukraine channel with Ukrainian signals, I would be. I'm ready to support it with money. Good. Thank you, my friend. We will consider this. Did that limit order appear when it was closer to the price? Kevin, write more about your question, because it is not clear about what context you are talking about. Okay, what happened to big size at 22,000? Rahul, it's still there. Still at 22,000 we have significant size, 1,600 bitcoins, and for me it's interesting to see what will be with that size, because at this moment with Bitcoin we have one difficult stuff, because Bitcoin, as you know, Bitcoin in the middle of really big and huge range. About that range I wrote today in the morning. Bitcoin exactly in the middle of this range. What difficult is that first, price can be in a range for many days. Second, this rise into this area, is it real breakout or false breakout? And honestly, I don't know, because if I would know a trade that we took, if I would know that it is true breakout trade that we took, I would keep it for much longer, because today's trade that we took with community, imagine the trade that we took on BTC, last duration was 10 minutes, my friends, 10 minutes. That's example for you what's scalping, real and powerful scalping. Okay. Before we do any analysis, we always start from Bitcoin. Why we always start from Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin showed to us direction of a market. Even in scalping, it's really important to understand what's going on Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin bullish, in most cases, price on all coins will rise, and that would be really good stuff. At this moment, what we have on BTC? First, we have this significant range. We have price did this re-high with volume increase, and at this moment it really depends what will be the next, because if at this moment there would be a lot of significant size that would start pushing BTC down, it would be a signal that all of this it is fake breakout. And if that happens, and if they start pushing price back into this range, next what could be, it is real low, because if people that trapped here, buyers that trapped here, in most cases price will move into opposite direction to hit stop losses of people that trapped. Example, if a lot of people that buy trapped here, that means in most cases buyers set stop losses below range. And quite often after a trap, price moves into opposite direction. But if this stuff is a trap, in what cases we can start thinking about rise? If, for example, at this moment some additional size significantly appears in DOM and will start supporting Bitcoin for a rise, that also could be good signal for future rise. That's why let's wait for price reaction, and after that we can do a lot of stuff. And remember, friends, it's important to push like on this video and subscribe to this channel. It's really, when you subscribe, first you get updates about our lessons that help you make money on scalping, because even today I shared with you strategy with everything. Like in normal cases, people take money for that. With stop losses, take profits, with all explanation, with many examples. That's why support us. I think it's worth it. And you don't pay just by clicking on all of the stuff, you pay nothing. About BTC, what other stuff for me is really interesting, that we have a double stuff. Have a look on this double. Let me close this one. We don't need this too. We have double picture on BTC, because pay attention. First, BTC, if you open bigger time frame, you can see on this volume profile, it is indicators that shows to us volume profile. How it works? It builds exactly at each level. It adds volumes that traded at each level. For example, today at this price traded 1,000 Bitcoin. On another day, price retested this level and traded, for example, 200 Bitcoins. At it summarize, because as you can see on this indicator, we can decide by ourselves amount of days that we calculate by just moving the stuff. And at this moment, again, BTC exactly at this significant volume area. And so many times I saw how price bounced from that. That's why on bigger time frame, in normal cases, something like this becomes really powerful support. And in most cases, first time when price reach something like this, they are bounce. Because a lot of people that bought Bitcoin in this area, they understand if they allow BTC drop lower, stop losses of these people will be activated, and because of that BTC can drop even to this area 17,000. That's why these people really interested to stop BTC from dropping and move it higher. That's why at this moment we are in the middle of a really serious fight between buyers and sellers, and for me it's really interesting who will win. That's why on bigger time frame, I would bet for at least rise to next key level. Next key level, it is exactly here when this volume starts. It is 22,683. It is next important level, and I think by the way you can see here how price bounced from this, here bounced, and in normal cases from this level it is next important resistance. That's why let's see what is going to happen. I pay attention a lot to dominant footprint. If something important happens, I'll share it with you. Okay, let's do let's reply to all other your questions. Thank you for your answer. I get it. It's just that I use the phone for trading because I'm rarely at home, and DOM platform doesn't work on Android. Thanks again. Ivan. Honestly, if you want to do the stuff with DOM footprint, better to do it on your computer. You can do it on laptop, but on smartphone, I didn't hear about people that really make money from smartphones. I want to be honest with you. I saw a lot of YouTubers that they pretend to make money by smartphones, but in reality, they don't do. Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm glad to hear. I'm also trading on Bitcoin, still learning, still newbie. We will help you. Salah, hello from Saudi Arabia. Hello from Ukraine. Is there a specific time to the day to scalp, or we can scalp the whole day? Thanks. Honestly, we can scalp whole entire day, because a lot of times we scalp with our community. We do live trading sessions, and for example, on previous trading session we did on Monday at 11 o'clock East European time. At this moment it is 8 p.m. and we did FIL long. There were bounce from big size. I didn't do live meeting yesterday because I still have this stuff. I need to recover completely. Sometimes we do in the middle of European session, sometimes exactly in the evening, like right now. Also, we have people from Asia that do trading on Asia session. It doesn't matter, honestly. That's why. Trade. You should trade where you see big situation. Pasha, hello. Pasha, describe what you think about my English. Can you please do analyze OP coin? We will do. Pavlo, okay. 1 minute. Pavlo, tell me please, is it better? Do you think it's safe to take short at 29,900 if big size appears in BTC? Raul, about BTC, honestly, we maybe will try with our people to take short on BTC exactly before this size. Honestly, if you take a trade at 21,900 and set stop loss above this size, your stop loss will be approximately 0.5% of price movement. 0.5, 0.7. That's it. Remember that you don't know which trade will hit your take profit, and it's okay. What you need to do, simply do simple stuff. You just set a stop loss, that's it. If price go against you, you set stop loss, and it protects you from all bad stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's do, friends, I replied to many of your questions, and let's do some analysis. Okay, as I told you about BTC, summary about BTC. At this moment, BTC pretends for this breakup. BTC pretends that we have trendline breakup, size breakup, all of this stuff. And for that, we need support in DOM for next rise. That's it. That's why at this moment, I am more bullish. If some significant size appears for short, closer, that start moving price lower, we will start opening short on BTC. That's it. Because of this, we should cover also other coins and check significant sizes on other coins. If there anything and something really interesting for us. Mohammed, how I get a footprint in Forex? You don't get in FX. FX is scam. In most cases, FX, in reality FX? FX that you trade, it is a scam because normal market, you must have access to a DOM platform. If you don't have access to DOM, you trade against company, and in most cases that company really interesting that you will make that you will lose money. That's it. That's why be careful when you do it. Again, we have maybe 6 times today air alarm. Six times today. Russians send salutes to us about our independence. Okay, friends, what I'm doing at this moment, I analyze significant volumes in DOM by using special platform. At this moment, I don't write about this platform. We won't speak a lot about this platform because I want to analyze this big volumes as fast as possible. I see your questions on another chart, and we are going to analyze it as fast as possible because I would like to trade with you other situations. About Tron, pay attention guys about this trend line. There could be potential trend line breakdown. About Tron, what do we have at this moment? It's really interesting to see at this moment this level. Price tried to rise but failed. Volume here, have a look, this volume. At this, what about this one? This one also volume. While BTC did local rise a few minutes ago, Tron did no rise. That means this coin is weaker, and there could be potential breakdown of this trend line. Add this on the list because we should analyze our market faster. If more situation appears, we would take a trade. Okay, BNB, there's nothing interesting at this moment. ADA, big limit orders far below. Pash, about difference between better, Pash, if you use computer, please do Google Translate, because we have a lot of people from different countries, and for us it's really important that all of them understand English. I understand that maybe for you difficult to alarm again. About BTC, very important close of the day for the future growth. Pash, yes, BTC close is important, but I saw many times when BTC close exactly at high daily and after that started. That's why daily close, like I know one guy that speak a lot about daily close, but still we need a good entry point, because even if daily close at high, still it is not an entry point. Okay, GMT bounced from this size, nothing interesting. Okay guys, I'm doing really fast this analysis about TRX. Remember about this trend line, and there could be potential breakdown because TRX looks beautifully for breakdown. Shiba bounced from a size today. What are the coins really interesting for us? We use this service only to find significant size because what's negative side of DOM platforms, of any DOM platforms? You can trade big volume only if you know that on that coin there are some big volumes. That's it. If you don't know a coin that at this moment in a move or where significant size appeared, nothing would help you. Even with BTC, honestly, it was far accident that we took that long today because I analyzed BTC before a stream for several hours. Ethereum Classic, have a look, 276,000 coins as a sell limit. Oh my god, it is a fucking shit. It is really significant size. And how much left? How many of that coins left? 183, 21,000 at this moment left. And let's open Ethereum Classic, because it is significant size, I would say. It is really significant. ETC USDT. I see that during last weeks activity on Ethereum Classic increased dramatically. I think it is because original ETH is going to change from proof of work to proof of stake, and because of that it looks a lot of miners go into Ethereum Classic, and at this moment really big activities on Ethereum Classic, especially in trading, because volumes on Ethereum Classic increased dramatically, I would say, dramatically. And is that size still here or not? Have a look, guys. Only 14,000 traded, 58,000 traded at that level, and that's it. And they just bounce it for 2%. If we would be here at that size, it would be beautiful scalp. We should have Ethereum Classic on our list, because at this moment this coin during these days it gives really beautiful volatility to us. Okay. Okay, let's go on because I want to finish this as fast as possible. FLM, significant 2.9 million coins at this level, but this level far below, it is 5%, and even to hit this level there must be something important. Have a look, guys. Also pay attention. Significant volume, pump happened, and reaction really bad. That means only during bull market, after something like this, additional pump happens. In most cases, if we are in a bear market, the price due real low to take stop losses of these people that trapped during that pump. FIL nothing, HNT pumped, nothing to do at this moment. Well, about BTC at this moment difficult, because at this moment, let me finish all of this stuff really fast, and we are going to do BTC analysis again. Let me finish all of this stuff really fast. I have BTC in front of my eyes. I analyze BTC at this moment. I see what's going on BTC. I see important levels on BTC. Very significant size traded. That's why at this moment we pay attention to BTC. But we also need other coins. We need to see is there anything significant that we can trade at this moment. One moment, guys. Okay, MKR, 100 coins as a sell limit at this moment, above this range. Some of you asked me about difference between bounce and breakout, and I will show you difference between that. In what case is better to trade bounce, in what case is better to trade breakout. Okay, storage theta. We cover as many coins as possible. Unfi pump it. What's the target? What do you mean by what's the target? Please explain what you're looking for as you are scanning coins. Richard, at this moment we use special service that shows to me significant big volumes in DOM. It calls a heat map. This stuff shows to us big volumes and how long they are at some levels. Because the biggest difficulty by using DOM and footprint, when you will use it, you will see that sometimes big volume appears in DOM and disappears. And you can trade it. But like on this example, AAV, have a look, this example, AAV. What price did? Broke level, and after that started a beautiful rise, like fake breakdown happened. And why is this important? Because it is a real person that put 5,200 coins. Someone bought here, someone sold. There are real people in the chart with real money. And based on that, we can do some calculations. Okay, let's do all of this as fast as possible, because guys, additional 20 or 30 coins left. We already analyzed more than maybe 100. Additional 20, 30 coins left. I know that some of you would look on this and see that we analyze it manually. Maybe is there something that we can do automatically? We can do it if another person can do it instead of you. That's it. Have a look on XMR on this beautiful limit orders. And yesterday we traded, by the way, this limit orders. Have a look. Yesterday, friends, AAV, not AAV, XMR, we traded exactly at this significant limit order. I closed part exactly here. Honestly, this time price didn't do significant movement, only 1.25%, but still it was good to take profit. Today we tried to take even short here, but it wasn't successful. It wasn't successful, and that's it. At this moment I have nothing to say about XMR because good trading situations were yesterday. At this moment there's nothing to say. Okay. What I see at this moment about BTC, it's really interesting situations. Friends, from my point of view, with big possibility BTC is going to hit again significant size. BTC maybe with big chance is going to rise additionally, because have a look what's going on. Pay attention to this level in a footprint. It is a footprint of futures market. Pay attention to this 1000, to this orders that traded exactly here. Why is this volume important? Because if price breaks this volume could become good support. Same as it happened here. It is the same stuff that we traded with community a few minutes ago, exactly before the stream started. What we traded with our community, as I showed to you, we traded this stuff. Price broke one level by this limit order, again broke, and after that, when price broke all of this on support, have a look, this 400 BTC became as a third support. And after that, we took a trade with our community. The same stuff, if something like this appears on BTC again, it could be a good trade for long. And also it could work in opposite direction, because if at this moment significant resistance happens, we can take short from this level. That's why we need confirmation at this moment on BTC. We just need confirmation from this level, because on previous trade we had that confirmation. And let me send to you in some place that big size. Okay, let me read your questions. So do you advise me like Bitcoin? What do you mean like Bitcoin? You can like or dislike. We trade Bitcoin. How I can trade with what is a broker in crypto? Okay, thanks man. Trading is like my third job. I just don't have time to do it from a computer. I'm just trying to learn and have fun. 90% of my investment is on Greenwich strategy. Ivan, honestly, Greenwich, it is for people like you that really busy, because Yaroslav is our partner and he spent nearly whole his day to improve it, to read all your feedbacks. He really like what he's doing. He put all his money into Greenwich and he really good in that. Pasha, my English small level. Pasha, improve your English. You need it. Can you check ROC and APE, please? I'll do it. Глянь on EOS and Anchor. Okay. Okay, Vova. About BTC. Remind once more. At the beginning, I told to all of you that BTC is important for us because BTC show direction of a market. At this moment, what's going on? BTC broke this important volume area. Some people, this indicator showed to us a place where people did a lot of trades. It built by exact levels. Why this stuff is really important for us? Because if some whales accumulate long position on BTC, they will start supporting this BTC by adding limit orders into DOM. If that appears, we consider this as a real true breakout and we take long trades. That's it. With our community, we already took one small breakout trade that I showed to you at the beginning of this, and we need additional and second we need additional big volume that will confirm real true breakout, because at this moment it looks like a fake breakout. That's it. By the way, guys, have a look BTC at this 1000. Tell me please, does all of you see these 1000 bitcoins? For me, it's interesting to see how this level will play out, because if at this moment, by retesting this level again, there would be like a wall additional 1000 BTC as sold, we will take short with stop loss above this local level. If at this moment appears big support, we take long. That's it. Yeah, Vova. Can you please send me your Discord channel? I don't see a link below, because our Discord channel, it is for people that join our Advanced Bigger Trading Club. You can open this link below, exactly first link, and you can get access. Just write your email, phone, and my team will send you all information about community, our educational programs, all of this stuff. How to draw, Kevin, how to draw these horizontal blue lines in DOM? You should do settings, hotkeys manager, DOM, where levels, H, change price scale, and G. I set here G, set and remove level. Change orders mode, set the stop loss. Like at this moment, you can do all of this. You can do all of these hotkeys, and based on these hotkeys, you do all of this stuff. Richard, which exchange do you typically scan with trading light to identify large limit orders? We use Binance. Main reason why we use Binance, it is because of FTX. I think many of you heard about this big exchange. This exchange called FTX. Guys, from my point of view, we can try to take short on BTC, because price, have a look, price exactly retested this size. From my point of view, BTC could drop even to VWAP. But stop loss a little bit late. I think this level become important resistance. It's really sad that we didn't have confirmation here, because it looks that BTC is going to at least drop to this VWAP. Richard, about Richard question, have a look on this volume monitor. Biggest volume, adjusted volume, half it is on Binance. Bybit, third, sometimes it's second exchange. on futures market, have a look, futures market, Binance, it is even more than half. And what does it mean for all of us? That Binance have huge impact on the market. What do we recommend for people that are from countries where Binance forbidden? For all of you friends, we prepared, have a look below this video. You'll find how to trade Bitcoin futures in the UK, in US, Australia, Canada. Because I know that in such countries Binance forbidden, and you can trade on another exchanges that we use. Just by analyzing Binance, you open trades on another exchange. That's it. How Ethereum merge will affect the market? Time will show to us. Yes. How long did you trade profitable? Any tips for merge, David? Many years. For me, it took maybe 4 or 5 years. Only after I did a lot of education, everything changed. Because biggest problem of beginners, guys, have a look. BTC bounced from this size. BTC just bounced from this size. And we didn't take it. Sad. It's really sad. Okay, I replied to some people. Free or VIP your community? What do you mean free or VIP your community? Okay, guys. About how much time it will take to learn, guys, it will take time because in most cases all of you will need like why I share at this moment what we changed, we started to share a lot of stuff with people really for free. Like we a lot of lessons on our YouTube, it's completely free about trading strategies that we use, tips that we use, software that we use, because what really will help you, it is repetition and systematical feedback, because it's the same as in any sport or boxing. Imagine you go into some gym and some will show you some secret punch, and after that, oh my god, I know that secret punch, and that's it. But it won't make you a worldwide champion. You will need go into a gym and you need repeat it day after day, day after day, day after day, and you need good feedback, and after that you really do good stuff. The same here. That's why, like, have a look, we started to record a lot of stuff about scalping for free, because I know that for people that don't have money, it is still good, because you at least have from what you can start, because I was a student and I remember when my monthly budget was $100, because my mother were abroad to pay for my education, and when someone tells me that if you are poor you can change your life, you can, but you need really work a lot and hard. And that's why for people like I was as a student, it's at least something, because you can learn a lot of tips, because you have a lot of free time and you can study all of this. For people that value your time, you will need education. I just know it because I saw it many times. I saw it in other people. That's it, friends. That's like, it's inevitable if you want to make a result. Because from other cases, you can speak with many people, your friends, with people that started trading, especially people when start during bull market. They buy some shitty coins, all of them pump. After that, they become really serious investors. After that, they add additional money. When bear market starts, they lose everything and say that all of this, it is a scam. Those of you that start learning trading, you understand that you need skills, and it is not only about some skills. It's easy to learn about stop losses, but it's far more important to master it, how to set it. It must become part of your subconscious mind. But that, it is a repetition. It's same like music. To learn how to play like Mozart, you need repetition. 2-3 times per week for 1 year, 2 years. After that, you become better than 99% of people on this planet. Until that, you do a lot of stuff without results. That's it. The same with me. Only when I started working with my first mentor, only after that I started to do some results. Okay, BTC at this moment just bounced from this size. We didn't do a trade. We just missed this trade. Maybe it was the best trade for this day. At this moment, interesting to see how BTC will react on this another volume. Pay attention. At this moment, BTC retest the volume that we took with our community before the stream. With our community before the stream, have a look on this. If at this moment, by retesting that volume, additional volume appears at 21,600, we can take some long trade. Because about this one, friends, it's sad, but it's too late to take that shot. Okay. Hayuri, did you recommend to do scalp in SHIB? No. I didn't do all recommendation I sent here. Yaroslav, about EOS, let's check EOS. Allow me to drink some water. Because still I'm recovering and I need a lot of water when I speak, because I just need a lot of water. Ivan, about BTC, we missed it. This 1000 BTC. Tell me, do you see all numbers? Because it's important that you must see also these numbers. We didn't take sell, because to take sell, it should be done by exactly retesting that size in DOM, in footprint. But we didn't take it, and at this moment, price 0.5% from this level. And if we take trade at this moment, stop loss would be 0.6%. But if we would take trade here, our stop loss would be this one. Like if we take trade, our stop loss such, and potential reward is 2 VWAP. If we would take trade there, risk reward would be amazing. At this moment, risk reward really bad. That's why we skip it. We just skip this, friends. Okay, maybe some additional sizes appears in DOM. Okay, write again about instruments that I should analyze, because I replied to all your questions. Okay, let's check one by one new instruments, because at this moment on BTC, in what case we can take a trade once more if at this moment additional support appears exactly at this size that traded a few minutes before the stream. Let's start. Some of you asked me about this one, about EOS. Yes, we will check it. For start, let's check EOS. Okay, what about EOS? Someone started pumping this coin. One of my friend love EOS fundamentally, and they built position at 80 cents. At this moment, EOS beautifully rising, volume increase, while market dropped, EOS pumping. It looks potentially there could be a pump on this coin because while many other coins dropped, EOS pumping. That means there could be additional pump on this coin. And what better to do is to wait for some range, local trend lines, and trade breakup. Or if in a DOM of EOS appears significant volume, we can trade some trades for long. For example, like today, EOS today in the morning, this size 500 coins, EOS bounced by 3%. Yesterday, EOS bounced from this size by 8%. At this moment, there is nothing. Next important size at 1.48. That means if EOS drops to these levels, it's quite a lot. Why at this moment I just told you, if you listen me carefully, I told you that better to trade into long. That means if you see sizes, do not try to trade bounce, because in most cases during powerful bull momentum, in most cases most of volumes will be broken up. That's why it's really you should careful to trade all of these volumes. Friends, remind to you, if you watch us, especially if you watch us first time, subscribe to this channel to be updated in the future, because you will get lessons that will help you make money on scalping, free signals, a lot of tutorials, and for us it's really important. That's why right now subscribe, turn on the bell, and if you enjoy, really enjoy, share with your friends in private messages on Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. It's really important for us in our company. That's why about EOS, once more, about EOS. We don't know when this pump will end, because pay attention. EOS, after this rise drop by 95%, that means even pump to this area is possible, like this one. Compared to all of this drop, it will be nearly 40% recovery. That means EOS really easily can do this rise. That's why, once more, significant size in DOM as support we take long, or there would be pattern of technical analysis. At this moment on a futures market, significant size only, as I told you, 148. On the spot market, EOS spot market at 1.5 significant size. That means at this moment there even no significant volumes on EOS. But I would definitely pay attention to this instrument, because I believe that there could be a lot of good trading situations on EOS during these days. Because EOS at this moment pumping, volume increase, and all of this stuff. Okay, what are the coins, guys? Can you check Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic also interesting coin, because if Classic, why Ethereum Classic is a really interesting coin? Because also pay attention, volume increased dramatically compared to this ranges. Dramatically volume increase, coin pumped so much, and at this moment everything looks that there could be even additional pump. To buy this coin, honestly it's too late to buy this coin, but to trade it, especially by using DOM and footprint, it's really interesting. But at this moment, like ETC USDT, if you remember a few minutes ago I showed to you this size, price bounced exactly from this 277, part of this coin absorbed, and price bounced from this. Okay, BTC retesting our important size, and there is nothing. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. About Ethereum Classic, once more, trade it. Like open heat map, wait for significant size, or wait for some patterns. For anything, but you need to wait. ETC is a spot market. Also spot market. Wait for significant size on the spot market. And do a trade. Short on TRX. Main reason why I don't like this short, because volume, biggest volume at bottom. If that volume would be, for example, trap volume at high, and after that price squeezing, that would be really good. At this moment, it's really difficult about this trade. It's really difficult. Friends, also remind to all of you, especially for people that join this lesson first time, for all of you, we prepared 3 lessons about scalping, about tools that we use, dominant footprint, what is it, how to use it, what is scalping, how we make money on it, and our best trading strategy, bounce from a size that we use in most cases. All of these 3 lessons after this stream. Highly recommend you to watch all of these 3 lessons to start making money on scalping, and all of them, by the way, for free. Let's open TRX. Maybe I will change my mind if we open TRX by using DOM. Because if there would be significant resistance on TRX, for example, there would be some big volume that would push price down. In that case, I would open a trade with you to take short. But if there is no significant volume that move price lower, I would skip it. Pay attention, guys, about this trend line. Honestly, it's really a good pattern because what we have here volume, price did this beautiful pump, trapped people, volume confirmation, another significant volume in the middle, not at bottom, that's also good. Only here another significant volume. That means additional squeezing could be a breakdown. For better and clear trade, we just need some resistance in a DOM. Like if at this moment several million coins appears, for example 5 million, 10 million coins appears here as a resistance, we can take a short trade. We just need several million coins as a resistance. MKR. About MKR, Pash, about MKR. About MKR, in what cases I would consider to take long MKR? Have a look on these beautiful size breakdowns, especially this one and this one. What about here, MKR? Okay, guys. First, I don't like that price tried to do these 2 pumps and failed. It's like market maker doesn't know what they want to do. If this volume would be at bottom, like at bottom several times with volume appears, I would agree with you, Pash, about this potential breakup. I would trade it even personally. But about at this moment, about this, we have volume at high, and only during bull market price do pump on such coins. Because during bull market, even if some shit coin, price still make movement. But at this moment, are we in a bull market? Like, in what cases, what you can try, Pash? Pay attention, at this moment there are some limit orders at level. Pay attention to, it disappeared. There were a limit order at size at level, and it disappeared. If there would be some significant limit order and price squeeze it, break out of a size, I would trade, and that's it. Richard bounced, yes, I mean rejected. Rejected, bounced. I'm not native speaker. Maybe in some words they're much better words from English. We try our best. That's it. Can you check if classic? Tell me please. Did I answer about if? Check SKL. SKL. At this moment, friends, SKL interesting to see 3.3 million coins. 3.3 million coins multiplied by 0.05. $165,000. Honestly, not much, but it is as a range breakup. Have a look, guys. 3 millions. What I'm doing. At this moment, we have 3 million coins and this SKL, 3 million coins. Interesting to see. Will price bounce from this size? What we do at this moment, we add this coin into our DOM platform. Like that's example for you how you use a heat map. We add this coin into our DOM platform and trade it. And by the way, Vova, Vova, thank you for this coin. It's already pumped at 2.2% from a size. Maybe we missed this opportunity. About Tron, at this moment I don't see significant size as a resistance that we can use. That's why we don't trade Tron at this moment. Okay. About BTC, BTC slowly drops to a level that I remind you, it is exactly 21,600. Volume significant traded there, and have a look how price bounced from this one. We just missed it. It's sad. Okay, let's add this one, SKL USDT. SKL USDT and SKL USDT. Okay, let's do DOM settings, that all of you would see it, how we do settings in a DOM to make it beautiful. Okay, we saw bigger size, it was 3.3 millions. 300, let's do 4 millions. Okay, why is that significant size? Oh, exactly here, pay attention, friends. What do you know, friends, those of you that trade with me far often, what is the problem of this trade? Can you, for me it's interesting, will you understand what a problem in this trade at this moment? Do you know what's the problem in this trade? For me it's interesting to read your feedbacks. Martin, hi, Visasha here from your paid group. Happy to see you here, my friend. Why didn't we trade ETC bounce from a size? Because it was exactly before stream started and we traded BTC. That's it. Because I cannot analyze all instruments and sometimes I miss some instruments and we just don't trade them. Sometimes guys, main reason why there are problem in this instrument that this size, it is only $150,000. If all of us will take a trade at this size, what will be beauty here? That slippage could be like, imagine if some of you will take a trade with $100K before this size, $100K. It will be approximately 2 million coins. And 2 million coins to close your trade, if price go against us by stop loss, you need to absorb all of this volume to close 2 million coins trade. That means there is not enough money in these coins. Honestly, I don't like to trade such coins. But if some of you want to do it for educational purpose, you can do it. Okay, let me send it into our dot. Okay, about dot, let's check, guys. Dot. XMAC, Chinazas, Didax. Let me check again all of this because we saw it once. Alexander, Yunfi good for short. To take short, we need good entry point with low predictable stop loss. In what cases I can take such entry point? When we have clear entry, clear. clear, big volume, level breakout, significant size and price squeeze for breakout. In those cases, we can take a trade. Just to take a trade because you wrote that like it is beautiful, well, it's not enough. Okay, 73 multiplied by 9,000. USDT 72 multiplied by 10,000, it would be how much? My God, my teacher of math would tell me a lot of good stuff if he would see my live stream. 600,000. Is it spoofing or not? Let's check. UFI. About this SKL, I personally won't trade it because main reason why I personally won't trade it, because it is only 150,000 USD, and for my normal volume, for me, I will have big squeezing. That's why I just don't want to trade it, because big chance of stop loss for me. About BTC, have a look. Friends, BTC at this moment, what BTC do? BTC at this moment retest important volume area. Is there anything good on spot? On spot also nothing good. Pay attention, BTC at this moment exactly retested the significant volume. Price just bounced from this level. But if bigger problems that at this moment volume doesn't appear in a DOM as a support. If some volume would appear as a support, we would take long at this moment again, because we have a big size here and big chance that this player is still here and could move price higher. But we don't have a double confirmation, because remember here I showed to you volume first time, second time, broke, retested, again volume. Something like this, it's really good. What about Shiba? Nothing, there's nothing on Shiba at this moment. Richard, BTC is approaching 21,610 via large volume in DOM appeared. Might be want to check it. Richard, yes, I'm checking this, and there's nothing, again, there's nothing more. Like, to take trade at this moment, it's like just 50-50. Yuri, you once had a DOM profile on which you could see market orders instead of limit orders on Tiger Trade. Can you show me this one? I forgot you said you saw market order boards at work. What do you mean market orders? We can see at this moment all of these orders. Dot. Honestly, dot in a serious place, my friend. Do you understand what this stuff means? Martin. It is a pending orders. DOM here. It is a pending limit orders. Trades that happens, market real orders, real-time orders, we can see exactly here. It is order flow, this stuff. And here it is a footprint. In a footprint, we can use different presets. I can do, for example, volume, that a lot of different delta correlated volume, correlated profiling, volume trades, volume histogram. You can see a lot of stuff. You can see amount of trades, delta correlated profile. You can see bid ask. bid-ask ladder, bid-ask profile. You can do a lot of this stuff. I personally use delta correlated volume profile because for me it's enough. Honestly, I tried a lot of them, different of them, but this one's the best. Roma. Yes, guys, about DOT, this stuff means support. At this moment on DOT, DOT just bounced from significant volume area. $7, it is really huge volume area. If people that bought DOT here really powerful, really powerful, it could be a really good area to take a trade. That's why at this moment, what I recommend all of you to do, pay more attention to DOT. Let me add, I would like to add DOT on a list. I would like to analyze DOT from all sides. Spot market and the futures market, because why all of this important? Because if that accumulation really powerful and people that build accumulation in that area really powerful, they can just move a price by additional 20, 30, 60, even 100%. Because have a look like on this example how price bounced from significant size in DOM. And at this moment, it's sad, but we don't have significant volume on DOM, in DOM, that we can use as a support or resistance. At this moment, we don't have it. But if that appears, I highly recommend you to take a trade on DOT. Martin, okay. About Yunfi. DOT really serious at this moment, guys. Pay attention a lot about DOT because on DOT there could be powerful trade patterns during next days. I even add DOT on my second screen because I have 4 screens. On one screen I do stream review, I read comments in Telegram and Discord. On another screen I have heat map of many instruments and 2 screens for charts. Okay, let's do review this DOM analysis that we can see at this moment first. Let's do footprint on bigger time frame, on DOT, bigger time frame footprint. Okay, let's do 100K, 1071 and 25K. Okay, about DOT. About DOT, at this moment, is there any significant volume that we can do as a level? At this moment, I don't see more than 145,000 on 15 minutes footprint. Like to take a trade, we need once more. We need, to take a trade with low predictable stop loss, we need significant size, or we need some trap for bulls, something like that. Because at this moment, what happens? A significant volume at high, price far from VWAP. Like at this moment, I cannot take a trade. That's it. Let's better go back to BTC. BTC just bounced from size that we traded. There could be local rise, but there is no support. It's really sad. Maybe there is something on a spot market, nothing. Okay, maybe this stream will be only about watching, because if there would be no beautiful and powerful sizes, I won't. Не знаю, чи відновить. Guys, are you still here? Guys, are you still here? Yeah, I'm reconnected. Good, good, good. I see that half people left. Good. What's the problem? We had our internet reconnected. Connected, and after that disappeared. That's it. And because of that, everything shut down. My computer shut down, and the stream also shut it down. Okay, let's all. Okay, let's record it. About this one, 1000 coins, it's really interesting at this moment. It's really sad that it didn't appeared here as a support. Why? Because if this 1000 coin would appear as a support, we would definitely take long. At this moment, what's the problem? Let's see what's going on. If this size will be broken up, and this size appears here in a footprint, we will take long, because this one will become good support. Main reason why I don't want to take a short here, because if this 1000 would appear at this level, it would be really good and logical, because this players that took a trade here add additional volume. But here, I don't like to take a trade here. Let's see what is going to be. Oh, 800. Have a look. Do you see how the size? Good. Size broken. Time to take it some trade. Okay, let's take a trade. At this moment, it just took a trade based only by footprint, because this volume were broken. And from my point of view, price can pump. If at this moment, once more, my friends, remember that it is what we do. It is not like guarantee that it is 100% will happen, but if this size become a serious support, people that just broke this level, they will support BTC, and by supporting BTC, they will push price higher. Okay, let me write it into our free signals chat. Today I'm really generous, and I send a lot of ideas to people. Mm-hmm. 21,650. If price hits stop loss on this trade, I will we will stop a day, because after COVID I still did a lot of work with you. About take profit in this trade, honestly it's difficult because if price will rise, I think that size at 22k will be broken. If price drops below this size, we will face stop loss. That's it. That's why or here will be really good powerful rise or stop loss. About this 1000 coins, what would be good if at this moment again some support appears here. That would be really good confirmation, like 500, 700 bitcoins, like it was here, 900, 700, 400. That would be really good because it would confirm that buyers do not allow sellers to play against them. That's it. That would be best confirmation. Beauty of this trade, stop loss small. How much risk you have on a stop loss in dollars? In this case, I entered $10,000 size, $10,000. My stop loss 0.31 from $10,000. If additional size appears at this moment, like 500, 700, and it's top a price, I would add additional 10,000 to increase my risk, to double my risk. Half of our position we should close before this size, before this limit order. And second part we should keep, because if price smash that size, there could be a significant rise. Max, what do you think about crypto bots? Crypto bots is good for people that sell it. I know it from real side of this market. Only people that sell bots make money. Because if you have good bot, you don't need to sell it, because people will give to you a lot of money. Eric Lisbon, what is this strategy? It is a scalping by using DOM and footprint. And if you watch the stream first time, what you do for a start below this video, there would be a DOM and footprint. Watch for a start what is DOM and footprint. After that, watch what is scalping, and after that, what about one strategy bounce from a size. That's it. Max, it is, I would say it is not a nice, it is honest answer. It is honest answer for you, my friend. Because I don't like that bullshit answers. Oh, hey Yuri, have you tried footprint software from ExaChat? Yes, I tried it, shit. Compare this usability, UX design, target rate, and ExaChat. I think you understand that this one much better, and with better price. That's it. Also, I know developers, most of team of Tiger from Ukraine. That's why I speak with them directly, and at this moment, if some people need some help, like something worked badly, like we have people from US that trade on some exchanges, and they don't need to see their IP address, and at this moment we create really good solutions that so soon people, especially from US, will have good solution that you can trade by using DOM footprint, and no one will know where you traded. Kevin, it's okay if you can buy, use Scalp. Because, for example, like this strategy, we won't be able to use it on Scalp. Something wrong with the card payment. Something wrong with their card payment. Okay, let me send it to them, to Tiger. If you have something that you would like to send to Tiger, you can tell me, because I speak directly with them. I know CEO, the CEO. I know like all departments. I know departments that create Mac version, all of that stuff. That's why I can, if you have some questions, I can discuss with them. Also, those of you that don't know about this platform that we use, friends, for all of you, we created here, it is a link that you can download this platform, and you pay nothing by downloading from this link. And here is video tutorial how to use it. When you use our link, first we can speak with Tiger, and we can demand updates for you, because when Tiger sees that we invited, for example, several hundreds people by our link, they treat us really better, nicer, and they help us with different stuff. That's why if you download it, remember to use our link, because it's really important for all of us. Okay, let's see. Will this volume become a support or not? What will be really important about this volume? That this volume just reach this area and smash it and trade above that area. That would be really good for us. That would be confirmation that these guys this just broke this level. They're really serious in BTC, and there could be some beautiful pump. OP. Okay, about this coin, OP coin, at this moment, pay attention, this coin stopped here, deep pullback after this significant pump. I think you noticed that coin before pumped by 458%, while most of the market in a range and all of this stuff. That happens only if this coin really beautiful, or if they will pump this coin heavily. At this moment, what they did, this local trend line break up, but biggest volume on this trend line appeared here, but not here. It's really bad, because in normal cases, if you want to find some clear and beautiful bottom, there must be several volume spikes exactly at bottom, and we don't face it exactly here. That's why I don't like this coin. That's it. I just don't like this coin. My apology, friends, a little bit exhausted. Okay, let's pay attention to BTC. About OP. In what cases I would trade it? In a case only if significant... honestly, at this moment I wouldn't take this long, because even this long, it's already time to get out. To take additional long, there must be some pullbacks and significant volume at bottom. And even better to take any long if there would be some real low of this range and take stop losses of these bulls. Only after that I would consider. About short, there must be some additional bull traps. If there would be some bull traps and after that trend line, only in that case I would consider short. That's why at this moment, for me personally, better not to trade this coin. For us, we have at this moment BTC and this trade. Vova, Tiger Trade added this. You have here edit USDT and you write amount in dollars and you write it. Like at this moment I add 5,000, 5,000, $10,000 in worth of coins. Still, they will need to use coins because on exchange you trade in coins. You don't put on Binance, for example, 1,000 USD. Still, in the end, on exchange, they send order as amount of coins. KHNC coin. Remember guys that when I analyze coins, I do it only based on technical analysis. I do not analyze the coins because of their fundamental value. In most cases, I do not believe in their fundamental value. I told it many times and repeat it before I do this analysis. I know I have master degree in economy and I know that most of the crypto is a scam. But we trade the scam. Why? Because we have access to DOM footprint and it gives to us good volatility. That's it. About this coin, it just broke this significant range. At this moment, it's a little bit late to take a trade. Key level. Like if there would be some pullback, pay attention on this volume. This volume is not from here. This volume built exactly in this area. At this moment, we have these two areas of this area. Pay attention, this one. It is exactly big volume area. If price retests this volume area and there would be some pattern, I would take long from this pattern. Because until price above this level and above this volume area, it's bullish. Only when price breaks this volume area below, it become bearish. Because people that buy coins here, they support their position. Okay, pay more attention to BTC. What will be with BTC? Rest doesn't matter for me at this moment. Uh-huh. 1,100 coins as a limit order here. Sad it is not here. Because if that would be higher, it would be good support to our 1,000 that already entered the market. Let's do some bets, guys. What do you think? Will price reach our at least first target or not? Looks like there is a huge RSI bearish divergence on 4 hour. And what? Spoofing. 600 BTC is a spoofing. WBT, Whitebit, new coin, they have listing tomorrow. Max, I think nothing because I didn't analyze that exchange. Honestly, I didn't analyze founder of that exchange. And I don't want to give you some recommendation because I can tell you only about my experience in listing of some coins. Most of them bullshit. But if you buy it properly, those that buy on listing, they make money because a platform really interested that coin would be pumped after listing because more people will come next time. During bull market, most of listings end up really awesome. most of coins that list on exchange during bull market, even if that's some shit coin. I remember when Gamify started hyping, and there are platform Gamify for ICO. Even I personally tried to trade to take part of that. Gamify, this one. I took part in a lot of ICOs here, a lot of IGOs, initial gaming offering. And believe me, most of these games, it's real true bullshit. But what they did, they just accumulate money. That's it. That was their goal. Do you think they even didn't do any goal to help people to create really awesome games? Only because Gamify were on hype, there were nearly every week 5, 6, 7 token sales. Even people without a game, they just collect money. That means during hype, even shit goes. Like when water flows, even shit follows the river. But during market like right now, only good project survive. At this moment, pay attention, guys. That 600 BTC that appeared, it is a spoofing. That order isn't real because it wasn't printed. And interesting to see what will be here. Will this level be broken? Good, 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 good. Good, my baby. Go. I demand movement. I demand movement. Let's see. Next level for us, important, it is 21,750, because breakout of this level will be for us really good signal for next pump. At this moment, what happens, I don't know, does all of you see it or not, that sometimes in DOM 400 BTC appears and disappears. It is a spoofing, it calls spoofing. In most cases, that stuff happens to scare people. Like at this moment, we are in a long position. People that do trading first time, it must scare them. Because when you see size against you, in normal cases, you have desire to close it because you start scared because, oh my god, that size, they can destroy my position, all of that stuff. It's okay. It's okay. I understand your thinking, because I also did many times this one. Only if volume will be printed or size appears and price absorb it and it doesn't move anything, only in that case we consider that size real, and only in that case we can make a decision based on that size in DOM. David, I think the first PT is possible. You mean take profit? PT, take profit. Money is the reason for creating bullshit. Yes, Max. Yes, yes. That's why about all this ICO IDO platforms, what I think. In most cases, it created for just to accumulate money, not to create some real stuff in crypto that will change lives of 1,000 people. That's why I don't believe in that. That's it. Because from my point of view, in most cases, it will end up as a scam. Even where is my I didn't. Oh, good. Good. I just I can connect my MetaMask and I can show to you what happened to a lot of projects that I took part. Earn, Gafi, game IGO. There must be a list of IGOs that I took part. Where is that? My profile, maybe. I just want to share with you what happened to my GXP. What is this? IGO pools, maybe. Ah, oh, good. Let me show to you what happened to many projects where I took part. For example, Oli Sport. I bought $20 worth of these coins. Token price 6 cents. At this moment, 0.06, 90% down. This one, token price 10 cents, 0.06. Not bad, by the way. Token price 0.05008. Token price 0.25. At this moment, 0.25. Not bad, by the way. 0.14, 0.02. That's example for you what happened to most projects that I took part. 0.08, 0.053. Not bad. Only 40% down. 1 cent, 0. Like, what means 0? It's scammed or what? Do you see, my friends, this number? These numbers. Let me zoom in. Do you see this number? $4, 21 cents. 12.04. 5 cents, 0.15. 4 cents, 0. 45.999. 20 cents, not maybe first that higher than ICO price. This is just example for you what happens in most cases with that shit. BTC retesting this level. It's important for BTC to bounce from this level. If BTC bounce from this level, that would be a good signal for us, because it will show to us that this player really serious and they will push price of BTC higher. If this level will be broken down, I will close the trade manually, because it is scalp based just on a footprint. For us, it's really important that price this level, price must bounce from this level. That's why about ICO IDO, to take part, if you take part, sell that shit if you get some X and run away. In what cases I would consider to really invest in such projects? Let me put it here on this list, on another screen to see it. There's a good website, CryptoRank. And in what cases I would recommend you to invest into where is the step in? Step G, GMT. In most cases, when coins sold on Binance, like platform launchpad, in most cases those coins do really good movement, and especially if they have Binance Labs invested, Solana Ventures, Alameda Research, such project. When you have such project, Sequoia Capital, funds and backers, when you see something like this, in that cases I would be really interested to buy such coin, because pay attention, from 1 cent it pumped to $4. It was 410x at high. Something like this is really interesting. 9th of March ICO happened in the middle of a bear market. In the middle of bear market, coin listed, and still it did really huge pump. I just showed to you in what cases it's really good and wise to buy coins on ICO, because if someone powerful invested, only in that case something could happen with that project. In other cases, in other situations, in most cases it will be bullshit. Let's see, guys. what is going to happen with BTC. I see a small resistance at 21,700 BTC USDT on a bookmark. 2700. There is no significant limit order on a futures, and on a spot it is only 10 BTC as the limit. No, it is not significant. If you will see 500 and more, that would be significant. Friends, tell me please, does all of you see numbers in a DOM? Because if some of you don't see numbers in a DOM, tell me, I can zoom in. I just did the zoom in for all of you to see numbers here. Okay. If some of you don't see numbers, something like that, you can tell me, because I just zoom in. I just did zoom in, and I think for all of you it must be better. At this moment it is a fight. Because do you also open interest detect trap traders? I use another stuff to see people trap traders. First, what I like to do, it is like another trade that I sent to our community. It was yesterday or day before. With our community, we took a trade on ADA. What happened? It is nearly the same as we do at this moment with all of you. Same situations that we do with all of you. What happened? On ADA, someone traded something like this to 1,000,000, 2,700,000. Price retested that size, and exactly at that size with our community we took long. Exactly with community I shared stop loss take profit. After that, ADA rise, booked part of position, and and what happened with ADA after that size? Let me show it to you. About that size, I remember it was yesterday. It was here or here. Well, exactly, it was 24th of August. It was exactly here. And from this place, ADA rose by 3.8%. Not much, but in that case, stop loss when I shared a trade was stop loss in that case was 0.44%. That means stop loss really small and reward really big. That's example for you. And the main reason why I don't use open interest, because I don't know how to use it. Like here in a footprint, I can see real money that entered. Like at this moment, why we took BTC? Because we have some persons that just entered 1,000 BTC. Below, level below 21,600, at this level, they entered 1,500 BTC. And it is two significant levels. And it is the people that really there because their money in a footprint. About open interest, like I like real money. Michael, I am from Ukraine. You should have God in your in your heart to say about Russia during these times? Today, by the way, Independence Day of Ukraine. Our people, my friends, I have a lot of friends that at this moment on the war, they fight and they protect whole Europe. Because wise people understand Russians, it's like Nazi in 1938. I believe that at this moment history repeats and we are nearly the same as it was 1938 when Germany divided Czechoslovakia, and because no one stopped Hitler before that, he divided Czechoslovakia, he invaded Austria, occupied Austria, and because of that he increased his power and he decided that he wants more. And far better to stop such evil when it's small. 400 BTC spoofing. Okay, let's see what will be with BTC. We keep this trade. Honestly, I don't want to open any other trades because I don't see such beauty. Okay, your accent. About accent, at this moment I'm looking for a teacher because I see by YouTube statistics that nearly 30% of people watch our videos with subtitles, and I want to make for people better to watch it, to understand easier. That's why from September I will start looking for a coach that will help me with English pronunciation. Michael, in Ukraine we don't say привет, we say добрый день. Добрый день, everybody. Kate, we respect French, we like French for their part of a culture, but in our case, I think you understand why we do all of this in English. Добрый день. Добрый день, everybody. Guys, добрый день, everybody. My friend, I do a lot of stuff in English. I watch movies, I read a lot of podcasts, I speak with clients from different parts of the world. From, as you can see on this stream, we have people from Asia, Australia, Korea, Japan, Europe. Europe also different because, for example, Italy and Germany, it is completely different places. Sweden, United Kingdom, Ireland. United States, Canada, we have we have a lot of people from different places, and all of them have different accents. Especially people from India. I think all of you understand me. That people from India, they have really, really clear accent when you speak with people from India. I like English people, guys. I think you understand that for me it's okay to speak people with different religions, color of skin, languages. For me it's like I respect all people. I just say that it's really give me your money, sir. Just imagine like an Indian guy rob a bank. Give me your money, sir. Or American, give me your money, sir. I remember I saw a stand-up when some people laugh from Indians. Like imagine the situation: Indian man rob a bank. They come into a bank. Sir, give me your money. Okay, I cannot repeat that stuff. At this moment, someone pushed BTC down. I see 100 BTCs just started dropping slowly to a size. Let's see what is going to happen. If this size will be broken, if this size is going to be broken down, we will close this trade. Because next important size 1100 coins below this size 1400 coins is above. We at this moment in the middle. We took a trade only because we have two volumes. We had first time that we took before this one, and it would be really good if at this moment something like this appears, like this one on retest, significant volume entered as support. That would be best confirmation, and that would be even a signal to add additional volume into this trade. If such support won't appear, we do not add any additional volume. Remind to all of you that are beginners here, below this video you'll find a lot of useful links. First one, access to our advanced club. If you want to be part of our community where we trade live, where we discuss trades, where I send far more amount of signals, here. Free alerts, at least 2-3 times per day, sometimes once per day, I share free signals in the channel. After that lesson, what's DOM and footprint? What is crypto scalping and strategies that we use, in most cases bounce from a size in crypto scalping. Free lessons, I highly recommend you to watch all of you after this stream. Platforms that I use at this moment where you can see all of this video sizes, tutorial to that platform. And also for people from UK, USA, Australia, Canada, how to trade futures on Binance, how to trade crypto futures because Binance forbid in your country. That's why for all of you we did this help. Okay, BTC at this moment reached is at level. Michael, about C-Scalp, I told to all of people that C-Scalp, it is for people that don't have money. In C-Scalp, you don't have access to all footprint. Once more, on this YouTube channel, you go to our YouTube channel and watch difference between C-Scalp, also the article. Let me open this article and you will understand everything. In C-Scalp, you have big problem. What is the problem? Here, watch this video. It is exactly difference between C-Scalp and Tiger Trade. In C-Scalp, it is a free platform and there are a lot of limits. Also, you can read this article. You will never see a lot of data in C-Scalp. Never, because it is a free platform. They are limited in many ways. That's it. You don't have access to such powerful footprint. You don't see orders above 0.3% in a DOM, because once more it is a free platform and you will never see it in a C-Scalp. That's it. Polat, Yuri, how you about dollar index when you trade? We need also look at the dollar index, don't you think? There is not a big correlation between dollar index and current market. Because what you are talking about, Polat, it is correlation. Yes, some instruments have big correlation. What does it mean? That when price moves, they follow each other. But when you look at BTC, BTC really correlated to S&P during these days. But it doesn't move exactly. Still, you will need clear entry point on BTC to take a trade. And crypto far more correlated to BTC than BTC to other instruments. Because if BTC rise, I think you agree that most of the crypto will also rise. That's why for us far more important to pay attention what's going on with BTC than on other coins and other platforms. Ukrainian-Russian accent is awesome. You don't have to change it, just enrich your vocabulary. That's also good. Yes, I'll work on this, start from September. Michael, did I answer to you? See, Scalp, it is for people that don't have money. I understand that if you are a beginner, because I was a student and I had a budget 100 USD per month. And during the time, of course, I wouldn't be able to buy good, powerful platform. And for beginner, at the beginning, it's enough. To build a skill, to learn a lot of stuff, it's enough. But if you want to use more strategies, like at this moment we did footprint strategy, you need to use better platforms. Martin, for your country, what we do for many people, Farouk, please Discord channel link. About Discord, you can get into Discord by joining our crypto community. Below this video, first link, this one. Get access into our club. Discord only, guys, for people that pay for this, because I think you understand a lot of stuff we do for free, but Discord, you need to pay for this. Just open that link that I sent to you, and you will have such form, web form, email, phone, write your contacts, my team will write to you and send all information. Martin, about countries like this trade, honestly, if you do it on another exchange, for example, FTX or other exchange, it doesn't matter, honestly. Because in all our cases, stop loss would be the same. Because what difference between exchanges? All other exchanges, is it FTX or it Bybit or all of them, they have correlation. It is a special robots that move price after each other. And you can open charts of many exchanges and you will see that in most cases they follow each other. Why? Because if there would be no something like this, correlation, people will do arbitrage. That's why they have special robots that called correlators that move price one after each other. Kevin, so does all of your team all trade? We have different team. We have marketers, we have traders, we have 4 analytics in our team. Artem, Yaroslav, Vyacheslav. Who else? Alex. It is 4 people that do trading, and they do a lot of stuff. They do trading, and also they help me, for example, with trading with articles, all of this stuff. Other people that do sell team and marketing team, they don't trade, and you don't know about them because they do jobs that you don't see. They do job inside. Don't you offer? Yes, there are 1 week refunds if people do not satisfied. We have 7 days guarantee. If people don't like, we give money back. Because if we wouldn't give money back, do you know how much shit there would be about us on many platforms, many websites? It is one simple rule. If people don't like it, better to give money back. But after 1 week, we don't give refunds. 1 week, you have time to think. Kate, I forgot if it's possible to see heat maps on Tiger Trade. By the way, yesterday I spoke with team of Tiger Trade and they told me that they have a heat map. They told me that they have a heat map. Let me delete all of this. It is too much. They told me they have a heat map and they promised to me when they publish Mac version and update it, because if there would be some bugs, I think they understand that there would be some bugs. And they promised to me that we can discuss about heat map. And they told me, indicator manager, there are a heat, it is Ukraine alphabet, heat map. And have a look here. There are a lot of volume, dark to orange. And it's important to do clusters here. EGLD, BTC, USDT. They promised to do a lot of stuff, and that's the reason why we speak with them, because honestly, with Binance guys, they really do. Their services, when we speak with them, we say, guys, we speak with a lot of clients, we know a lot of problems. Honestly, it's so difficult to speak with Binance, because any update, it's something like, oh, we did update for you, you are a client, you need to update, come, okay. Maybe within 3 weeks, month, we will do that stuff. Tiger, guys, let us finish and we do. Like Binance, honestly difficult to speak with Binance team. Maybe we need more followers, more clients that open account by our link, because maybe in that case they will speak with us better. Okay, at this moment we stuck at this level. Problem here is that price could be in this range for several hours, and maybe only after that there could be some movement. It's really sad, because it's really sad that trades that we took with community before this stream, exactly few minutes before. It's really sad that we didn't take same that something like this didn't happen with BTC yet, because have a look. 400 as support, and poof, beautiful rise. Chuk. After that, chuk. And chuk. But at this moment, this stuff is in a range. Price globally breaking this range area if our current BTC idea will confirm. That means this breakout, if this breakout becomes true breakout, BTC can really pump a lot, because after such big accumulation, BTC can do even some 200-300%, no, not 200-300%, I mean ATR. BTC can do double, triple ATR. That means it can rise to 23,000, 24,000, something like that, even within 1-2 days, after such long range accumulation. But before, price can be in a range for several hours. Martin, depends on the month. Honestly, I had best month when I made a lot of money in trading, and bigger was even negative. During wartime, first 2 months of war, I made zero from trading, and I made and bigger trading were negative as a company, because we paid salaries to people, and during those days we were really in red in all terms, and thanks God that we had savings. That means it fluctuate because sometimes we have good money from trading, sometimes we have good money from this I would say it from community education, but community and education in most cases it's really good during hype, when there are hype on the market. Only during those times we make really good money that we can withdraw, because in all other cases this business nearly at break even. We need to learn how to sell for bigger price, that this business would become really at not at break even, but to make huge money on that. Okay, hide users from this channel. Well, what do you think about greed trading? Greed trading always ends up with bloated account. It always ends up that your account will be blown. That's it. There is no other way how that stuff can end. Greed trading, martingale, trading without stop losses. Even if you will be lucky 100 times, still there would be one time when price will move in one direction without any pullback and liquidate account. I saw it many times, thousands of times. I saw it when I was a manager in a broker. I was in retention department. I saw it when we started bigger trading on FX. I saw it many times on crypto. Doesn't matter what market, what account size, what religion. I saw Muslims lost account. I saw Christians lost account. Honestly, I didn't speak so much with people from other religions. I saw Jewish lost many accounts. Like, it doesn't matter what's your religion. If you do not follow proper stuff, you lose money. That's it. When you will start a hedge fund? When I will start trading not with 10, 20,000 per trade, when I will start trading 10 to 20, 50 millions per trade, and I will see that I have big limits on exchange. And after that I will definitely will start it. It is on the plans, but I want to do it really properly, because at this moment a lot of people write to me about account management, but I don't want to do some shit, because for us our reputation may be the most important, and I know that we will do it, but we will do it when time will come. That's it. It's SKL USDT take profit, please. But SKL didn't reach size. Did you open a trade on SKL at this moment? If you took a trade before this level, you close 50%, and after that you can do whatever you want, because pay attention on this stuff. If this range breakout is true, price can do 20-30% movement. What I would do on re-high, close half to be out of risk, and after that do whatever you want. When you will be without a risk, Just watch and learn how to keep your trade as long as possible. Okay, BTC. Guys, do you see how this level, this size, become a really beautiful support? Price 2 times exactly bounced from this size. 2 times exactly. That's beauty. That's power of significant size in DOM. Let's see what is going to happen. Once more, what's really important for BTC to happen? BTC must break this important level, 21,750, because at that level another significant volume traded. Breakout of that level will be good for us, because that level could become next important support. 21,750. That's why I pay attention at this moment at 21,750. What is going to happen with that level? That's really important for us. If price breaks it, especially before 22,000, we should close half, and after that, I said take profit here, but honestly after that we can keep even take profit higher, because if price breaks 22,000, there could be a beautiful rise for even bigger areas. Okay, guys, trading light for heat maps. The silver pack is good, or we need to buy gold pack? You need to buy gold, because on silver you don't have access to Binance futures, and there are many signals that you have on Binance futures. I know it's really shitty, because you buy trading, you buy Tiger, you buy trading light. I will speak a lot with Tiger teams that they will do all this stuff in one place in the future, but until that you need to do. Kevin, is it good idea to open short at 22k? Honestly, at this moment, not. Because this time, remember I told about this one, about such range accumulation, and if price breaks this important range, there could be movement even to 23, 24,000. About that size at 22,000, only in a case if price reaches this size, and order flow nearly freeze, and price become really calm, and you will see that price started absorbing this size and failed, and 1,000 left, we will try to take short with stop loss above it. That's it. But stop loss in that case will be 0.1%. If price reaches that size, because you don't know will price reach it. My dear friends, at this moment, I would like invite all of you to join our community and our education program, because have a look on daily basis. We do a lot of trades. Me and my team, we do, they share scalping trades. I share trades that based on DOM and footprint on daily basis. A lot of trades. Like today we did XMR bounce. Yesterday I sent Chinazes pump, EOS pump. We did a lot of trades that based on DOM and footprint. A lot of trades that I don't share, like yesterday ADA that I didn't share on any free signals channel. Or BTC a few minutes ago that we took before the stream with community members and people. Like I like when our community members share something like this, nice, and profits, like instant profits. Also we do live meetings with people in this live chat when we trade together. It is several times per week, depends on my condition, because like when I have good condition I do it often. Like at this moment I only recover from COVID, I do it less, but still those of you that want to learn scalping, you can do all of this. That's why what you do simply below this video, there would be this link. Below this video there would be this link, get access to a club. just do it. It doesn't matter what you would like to join, because if you would like to join, for example, some education program, still you can write by that link, because my team will write to you and give you all information. If you want to learn scalping, we can help you with a lot of ways. Just write to my team, they will help you. And friends, at this moment it is 22:15. I need to go. For all of you that took Bitcoin trade, write to me how many of you took Bitcoin trade, because I would like to do for you a final recommendation. Tell me please how many of you took BTC trade to give you a final recommendation. At this moment, 400 BTC were here and disappeared. Key level 750. It's important that that level must be broken. If that level broken, it would be good, because it will open always for even rehigh. This shit. Me. Kevin. Friends, if some of you didn't take BTC trade, also write in the chat that I didn't do, I just look at this and watch this. Because for me it's important part of you who took, who didn't. Guys, about BTC, what really important for all of you to do with BTC? First, before this size, to close half of your position. Because I do not know will that size be broken or not. Is spoofing done by bots? Yes, of course, Kevin, it's done by bots. How do you imagine that a person would change on their Binance so fast? It's only by robots. Robots do it to scare people that do especially scalping, something like this. Kite, you can do this stuff. For example, this trade you could do on different exchanges, on like on other exchanges. I won't name them, but honestly, this trade you can do on any other exchanges, because you would see the charts nearly the same. Only one strategy that really difficult to trade on other exchanges, it is when we trade bounce from a size. And this trade, it wasn't that strategy. This trade you could mimic on even on Coinbase. Because on exchanges, they have special robots that calls correlators. All exchanges have robots that calls correlators, because in other cases there would be big arbitrage. And you would see, you can open free charts on free exchanges, and you would see that they mimic charts and go after each other, because whales trade all together on other exchanges. And especially when we trade bounce from a size in a footprint, we don't have here a stop loss like we trade bounce from a size. Stop loss here always bigger. That's why even if you would trade like on Coinbase, still your stop loss would be below this low. That's it. And your stop loss would be 0.31%. Only in a case when you like one strategy, only one strategy, you should trade on Binance. Okay, about all of you, what is my recommendation for all of you? Friends, do not be greedy. When price reach this area, close immediately half. Or you can do another stuff. Before this high, close 20%. Let's do even this one. It would be even better recommendation. Where is it? Let's do 2000. $21,925. Before this level, previous high, set a sell limit to close 20% of your position. Additional 30% 300 set exactly before that significant size. That's it. If we are lucky, price will hit our take profit. If not, your risk will be really small. Those people that in our community took a trade on BTC today, even if price hit our stop loss, still we will make money. That's it. Zach. Yes, I will send a recommendation into Discord with all of these levels. Let me make this picture better. I will send this one into our Discord. In our Discord, this one, DOM trading, BTC areas for partial profit. This one, this red, it is exactly levels where you can send that limit orders. That's it. Let's see, my friend, will they push the price? At this moment, they are retesting exactly this significant level. And for us, it's important to break this level. Only this level breakout will be good for us. Because if they fail to break it, there would be nothing good. About rock, not much volume, delta is negative, no strength at the enormous rise. First, quite often during negative delta, exactly pump happens. It is the first. Second, I told you a reason why we at this moment consider this potential breakout. Because if this range breakout is true, price 5 days in this accumulation area. After such accumulation area, price can do a significant pump. That's it. If people that build a position in the middle of this range, they're really powerful, they will pump BTC. If not, get out by stop loss. That's it. If you don't like this trade, you also can close it because at this moment it is in profit and be out of this trade. That's it. You have a lot of stuff to do. Decide by yourself because it is your money, your responsibility. Okay, guys, thank you for being here with me. Remember to follow us on all our social media. Below this video you can find my personal social media exactly below my Instagram personal. Follow me here and my personal Twitter account. It is my social media that I do personally. I do a lot of stuff here. That's why be there to communicate with me personally. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you next week, and remember to watch video lessons that I recommended to do. We should finish this because it is already a lot of time. It is already nearly 3 hours together. I think it's enough. Thank you for your time. Trade wisely and see you.